Well, back here at home in a new court filing, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis is renewing her request for the Georgia Supreme Court to review a lower court decision that disqualified her from the prosecution of President Donald Trump. 11 Alive's Zach Merchant got a copy of the DA's court filing. Zach, you're joining us now. What more do we know about this?
Well, this is just the latest step in a long legal saga that is still far from over. In a brief filed Friday, the DA is once again arguing that the appeals court that disqualified her from that 2020 election interference case got it wrong. The case bogged down in January of last year when defense attorneys argued Willis should be removed from the case after it was revealed she had shared a romantic relationship with Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade. She defended her conduct and said the relationship never impacted her work on the case, but a Fulton County judge ruled that the relationship created what he called an appearance of impropriety that could only be fixed if one of them left the case, and Nathan Wade soon resigned. But a majority of a three-judge Court of Appeals panel later found that that decision did not go far enough, and they ruled that Willis and her office must be also disqualified from the case. Now, the district attorney has pushed back on the rulings from the start, and she's now urging the state Supreme Court to intervene. The court has not yet indicated whether it will accept the case or not.
And Zach, it doesn't seem like the district attorney has any plans on giving this case up at all. This has been a long-running legal battle. What is the DA's argument?
Well, look, these are long briefs, a lot of legalese in these court documents, but essentially DA Willis is arguing that the Court of Appeals got the law wrong in their decision to disqualify her. They wrote, or rather she wrote, that the Court of Appeals deployed what she called an utterly novel application of the law, and she is now asking the state's highest court to take a fresh look at the ruling. All of this litigation, it's important to note, has had a big impact on the underlying case. While the disqualification question continues to work its way through the appeals process, the Fulton County criminal case against President Donald Trump and others has been effectively frozen.
Yeah, Zach, thank you so much for breaking this down for us. We know that in their own legal filing earlier this year, attorneys for President Trump asked the state Supreme Court to let the appellate decision stand.